Introducing the 2022 Audi A5 Sportback TDI S-Line. This sleek black hatchback with only 30,000 miles is powered by a 2-liter diesel engine. Packed with top-of-the-line features like air conditioning, satellite navigation, Bluetooth phone, and more, this car offers both comfort and convenience. Safety is a top priority with ABS, multiple airbags, and collision avoidance braking. Plus, the stylish design includes chrome accents, privacy glass, and LED lights. Rest easy knowing this vehicle has had a full multi-point health and safety check, is serviced to manufacturer spec, and comes with a comprehensive warranty. Don't miss out. Call us or visit audikerry.ie for more details today.